Yarn Talk Monday. Let's get to it, people. Let's get to it. What did I do? First step, making coffee. Well, actually, first step was letting the dogs out. So, coffee. Coffee. I'll see you in the yarn room in a bit.
Here I am with my coffee. And I did something very bad. I followed up on a thread. Oh, come and follow me. Okay. I'm in the yarn room and I did something very bad. I got rid of my 2 desks. I'm just so sick and tired of them that I have been talking about it. If you've been watching my channel, you know I've been talking about getting rid of those desks, maybe rearranging them, but no. I moved one, the side fell off. I said, forget it. We've had these since we first moved here in 2007. That's how old they were. And they were from Walmart and they served their purpose and I painted them and they were so cute and adorable and now they're trash. Okay, but now I'm in a mess. I'll show you why. Look at this. I have a folding table. I have all my stuff on the floor everywhere. Dogs don't even know where to sleep. There's no bed in here. Look, it's in the hallway and she's going out into the hallway. That's where we are for Yarn Talk Monday. Let's get on with it. I can still talk in this mess. Let's go. Okay, I don't have my microphone on, so I'm going to project. I don't even know. I was never in theater or anything like that. I think I just heard my kids talk like that. Okay, first thing I want to talk about is my hoodie. What was I calling it? A Fairyland Forest hoodie. Okay, so I have not completed it yet, people. And I haven't even tried it on with the new modification that I made. I have the strands on and I have my buttons on. And then I didn't like the way it came to a point in front of my head. So I just gathered it back a little bit and I thought that was kind of cute. It would reveal some of my hair in the front, you know? And let me get my little braids, my tiny little pitiful braids in the front. You can't see them very much, but that's okay. Anyways, let me tell you the plans for this cape. But let me give you a little twirl. And the plans. Add more flowers up here in the center, pink. I have them, I'm working on them. And add more right here. I think I want to make a garland of the same color with more leaves coming off around the border and little mushroom thingies here. And off of here, I believe I will have some leaves or something hanging off. If not, just keeping them plain. We'll see how it goes. But that's my plan. And then I may go ahead and put a video up of this cape because it's been a while and I've been promising the pattern and I do have the pattern there. And so I will put the pattern up soon. So hopefully this week. So that's a plan for this week. Okay, let me come over real quick. Okay, now we're lowered just a bit. And you can see me in my little hood. So cute with my pitiful little braids. It's okay. Anyways, let's give you a good look of what this top center looked like. So I gathered it up here because it was coming down at a point and I really didn't like that very much. But now I like the way it sits. It looks like the part in my hair. You know, I can line it up. And this falls down like this with just a little bit of curve, which I love. And the buttons, of course. And okay, so on to the next subject. I told you I made a threat. And I've been threatening to get rid of all the stuff here. Did I already talk about this? Well, old lady time, I'm talking about it again. Yeah, so now I'm here with this desk here. Let's see. This, not even a desk. It's my folding table. And I even have this other folding table on the table in case I want to change into that one, because this one is really huge. And I think I'm even going to turn it back around the other way. But I would like a table facing this way, but just shorter. You know what I mean? That way I can film on that side or I can film on this side. Filming on this side is really good because I have the lighting from the window. Woo! And it looks good. And you can see my stitches and my face and all the details of my fingernails. But then on the other side, I can film from here facing. That way you can have a wider view, and when I'm talking, the light is not so, it's good. Okay, when I'm facing this way, the light is good. If I'm facing this way, the light is not so great. Forget it. If I have the camera over there and facing towards the window, it's very cloudy looking because of all the light in the back, right? So I don't want that. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyways, okay, so my room is a mess right now, but hopefully I can get it done. I'm gonna look on Facebook Market for a table. I've seen a few at a really good price. I just want a raw, real wood, four-legged table. And the reason I want this is because I gave one away and I've never regretted it because it went to my daughter and she's still using it. But I've always wanted that one again, one like that one. And so I'm looking for one that has 4 legs and is complete wood, because you can do anything to it and it will survive, except for keep it outside for years and years. Anyway, so I'm looking for that. So maybe next time I'll have a table when we check in on Yarn Talk Monday. Okay, I'm gonna keep this on for a little bit. What you think? Maybe now y'all can see my little tiny miserable little braids. They're not miserable, they're cute. I want them to be long. They're not as thick as they used to be. Off topic. Okay. The next thing I want to talk about, I think I'm going to put you right here, and I'm going to be on the other side. Okay, now, I have my coffee. I hope you can hear me. I have my fancy dancy bag, so this is an update. Okay, now I'm on the other side of the table. See what I mean? The good lighting is pretty good, depending on the sun during the day. And so you can see my room behind me, which I like, and I want to revamp and re-clean and all that stuff. But I have many different ways that I can record. So let's hope it turns out good. Anyways, the next thing I want to talk to you about is, oh my gosh. Do you remember I bought all these yarn balls from my last visit to Joann's? I have 3 more left because I used 3 on this top that I was making. And I wonder, should I go ahead and take off my cape? Let me go ahead and take off my cape. It might be a little distracting. Okay, so, I know y'all are probably just kind of sick of me talking about this, but I've been losing some weight. Anyway, so I've been making this top, and it's been coming out so pretty, and I finished it. It's just a little crop top. A little crop top, and it's supposed to have little straps here. It don't fit me. It gets on. It gets on my body. I think I'm gonna try it. I don't want to try it on you guys. So I still haven't decided whether it's gonna go from top this way or this way. I think I have it where I have it pinned right here where I'm going to make the straps, where the straps would go. So I have that figured out for now. But the thing is, it's too tight on me. What am I going to do? So either I'm going to keep it and hopefully lose some more weight. I don't know how much I would have to lose to fit in this. And then, or give it to someone. Or frog it. I saw another pattern for another top, and I still have the 3 balls. So I want to use those. I really want a cute little top. And so maybe something with, I saw it had, woo! It had a row of granny squares at the bottom, and it was just granny stitches all the way up, and it was kind of a short sleeve top. I think I like that a lot, so I may be doing that. That's it for this one. So I'm gonna go back over there and talk to you about all this stuff. Put this back in the bags. Okay, there it is. I'm back on this side now. I will move you just a bit, you know, because I can't make up my mind. Alrighty. So, Yarn Talk Monday, I think we're done. I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Of course, I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Next goal for me to hit is 4,000 subscribers. I'm 3,300 and something, I think. And so 4,000 is my next goal. And I don't have a goal time for it. But this week I plan on working on, I may put down this top. I may put it down just for a little bit. I plan on working on my cape and finishing that off. I plan on adding a video of the pattern for that cape, so look for that. Of course, I always plan to make some lives. Last week I didn't, just our weekly Saturday crochet meeting. Thank you everybody for visiting and hanging out with us. We had a lot of views and a lot of participation, and I'm very glad we had some new people on there, which I'm always so happy to see. And I'm going to be cleaning this mess. I'll give you a little I think I already gave you a little tour of this whole mess that I made. So I did it yesterday, got tired, went swimming. Isn't that life? Just let it go, put it down for a while, and come back to it. The trick is coming back to it, because sometimes you just leave it there. I am going to revamp this window. I want plants here, very soft, serene. I'm still going to have a mess because I am a messy person and this room is going to be messy, but I'm going to have a lot of things contained and moved off. My goal is always to have my desk clear, except for my crochet needles and a basket with whatever I'm working on at the time. But you know me, I have so many things that I'm working on at a time, and I need to kind of keep that, wrangle it in, you know what I mean? Because I just have a big mess down here of stuff. Sometimes I just want to shake my house upside down, turn it right side up. All the furniture's still stuck. No, furniture's gone too, and just start over. Start over with a clean slate, because all I do is take what I have and try to stick it somewhere and make it work, when I should just be getting rid of stuff, just like I did with the desks. And I kind of regret it now, but it's done and I get to start over. See how fun? Okay, guys, thank you for hanging out with me in the yarn room. The yarn room. I forgot I was supposed to sing it. I wasn't supposed to. I just always feel like it. And being part of my world, my life, my crochet life. I'll talk to you later, peoples. Go crochet something beautiful.